Hi, Scott Murray, Level 5 Tools. I wanted to take you through the features of our flat box, designed again with finisher input. We've tried to make it simple, robust design, so it's very reliable and easy to repair if you have to. So again, we've got the traditional brass blade holder, nice crown in there to start. You got the traditional adjustment mechanism here, and again, just a nice flexibility on that brass blade. Constructed out of extruded aluminum, great quality anodizing. Lightweight springs on the back because you don't want to be pushing against the spring force and the mud. So we've got a patent pending on that, and also our white non-marring wheels so that we're not marring up the wall. The other thing is we've got this door that pops open for easy clean, and then we've also beveled all these edges so it's much easier to put that door back in. These are great value, great construction. Check us out at level5tools.com. Welcome to the Red Zone.